How to check Snapchat trash bin. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you see Snapchat trash bin or recover every details from your Snapchat account. So let's get started. First, you have to open Snapchat application with your account. After you open Snapchat, at the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. From profile section, tap on settings just at the top right. From settings section, you'll have to scroll down and find out the options like my data. After you find it, tap on that. From this section, you'll have to just select the data to be included as for your trash bin or if you want to recover that. For that, you can as usual check your memories, chat media, or you can also go with your chat history. And after you choose your data from your, scroll down and tap on the option next. From this section, you'll have to just set a specific date range from where you want to export that data. Like in my case, I have set to my last year. So in your case, you can as usual check for the option yesterday, last week or last month. And after you check it, you'll have to just confirm your email address like that email associated or connected with your Snapchat account. And from that way, you can recover or get that data as trash bin on that email account. So simply after you confirm it, tap on the option submit over here and after you submit request from here to the Snapchat support team, your progress will be submitted and after some couple of hours or within 24 hours, you'll be get notified from that email and from there you can easily see or recover that data from your Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful to you and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.